Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. If we will notice coefficient of x square in the numerators, then we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and if we will add these three numbers, we are going to get 9, and 9 is in the right hand side. So we can think about splitting 9 in 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now we will take 2 to the LHS, 3 to the LHS and 4 to the LHS. So we will write our equation 2x square plus 7x plus 6 over x square plus 4x plus 3. Then we'll write here second term, which is 3x square plus 8x plus 6 over x square plus 3x plus 2. Then we have 4x square plus 7x plus 4 over x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we will subtract our RHS 2, 3 and 4. So I will write here minus 2, I will write here minus 3 and I will write here minus 4 equal to 0. Now we can take LCM over here. So 2x square plus 7x plus 6 minus 2x square minus 8x minus 6. It will be left with 7x minus 8x, which is minus x, over x square plus 4x plus 3 plus, again we will take LCM over here. So 3x square plus 8x plus 6 minus 3x square minus 9x minus 6. We will get minus x once again. In denominator we have x square plus 3x plus 2 plus, we have to take LCM over here also. So we will get 4x square plus 7x plus 4 minus 4x square minus 8x minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 plus 4x square minus 4x square will get over. We will get 7x minus 8x, which is minus x. In denominator we will get x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can take minus x common out and we can take factorization of denominators also. So this is x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 2 can be factored x plus 1 times x plus 2. X square plus 4x plus 3 can be written as x plus 1 times x plus 3. So we'll take minus x common, and from the denominator we can take x plus 1 common. We will get minus x over x plus 1 in bracket 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will write here our denominators cannot be equal to 0. So x cannot be minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we can write either x over x plus 1. This would be equal to 0, or bracket 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1. This must be equal to 0. So from our first equation, x over x plus 1 equal to 0, we will get x equal to 0, our first real solution, simply by multiplying both sides x plus 1. Now from second equation, we will use substitution. Let us consider x plus 2. Suppose this is equal to u. So here we are going to write u x plus 3 in terms of our substitution. We'll write u plus 1 and x plus 1 would be u minus 1. So we can write equation 1 over u plus 1 plus 1 over u plus 1 over u minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will club first and last term all together. So we will write 1 over u plus 1 plus 1 over u minus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 0. Now we can take LCM over here. So a plus b times a minus b will be there in the denominator, u plus 1 times u minus 1. In numerator, we'll write u minus 1 plus u plus 1. Then we have 1 over u equal to 0. We'll cancel plus and minus 1 from the numerator, and in denominator we will apply difference of two squares formula. So we will get 2u in the numerator and u square minus 1 in the denominator. Then we have plus 1 over u equal to 0. Now we will take LCM once again. So we need to multiply both the denominators in the denominator, and in numerator we will write 2u times u, 2u square plus 1 times u square minus 1, u square minus 1 equal to 0. So 2u square plus u square will be 3u square. So in numerator 3u square minus 1, in denominator u times u square minus 1. Let me write 3u square minus 1 over u times u square minus 1 equal to 0. So we can write 3u square minus 1 will be equal to 0. Now we have to add 1 to both sides to cancel minus 1 from LHS. So we will write 3u square equal to 1. Now we'll be dividing by 3 both sides to get u square. So u square will become 1 over 3. Now we will take a square root both sides. So u will become plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now u was our substitution, x plus 2. So we will write x plus 2 equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides to cancel plus 2 from LHS. Now it is over. We will get x equal to minus 2 plus minus 1 over square root of 3. Now we can rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply by root 3 in the numerator and denominator. Now root 3 times root 3 will become 3 in the denominator. So we will write x will be equal to minus 2 plus minus root 3 over 3. Minus 2 can be written as minus 6 over 3. Then we have plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now denominator is same. We will get minus 6 plus minus square root 3 over 3. So we have 3 real values of x which will satisfy our equation. Here we have 2 values, minus 6 plus minus square root 3 over 2, and second value would be x equal to 0. Overall 3 solutions for the equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.